Hi everyone, right, I've got a kit here. I'm just going to explain about it to you. It's a one-off kit. This is the picture, and I did make something that's going to go in with this, and that was this beautiful bow, remember, with the hand sewn flower. Added the laces and things like that, and it's a satin bow. And so it does tie in with the era, that's the thing, that's what I was going after. And I'm trying to keep all the colours together. So the bling, I've got this, and as you can see, all those colours, cut it, and you can put those, you know, like if you're doing a fringing on a plaque. This is a plaque, so if you put your trimmings on, which I'm going to show you, and then you can dot these about, alternate, or whatever you want to do with them. Whatever you want to do, or keep it and wear it, it doesn't matter. But I'm choosing things that all fit in together. So we've got that bracelet. I found that earring, because you can have a touch of blue. And that's a really pretty one that you can dangle from below the picture. Now, if you do what I do, I'll trim this out. I mean, you could even trim that out and put that somewhere. But I trim this, make it oval. Put the backing of lace on it, you know, to make, like I've shown you what to do. And then you could hang that from there. See? Or make it look like she's wearing it. But, you know, there's different things you can do. There's also that matches the colour as well. And then I found a little diamante flower, which is another pendant that you can possibly put on a dangle bit somewhere. I found that earring, which will definitely, you could put that on as a dangle bit. And then I found this necklace. It didn't have a clasp on it, but the beads all tie in with the colour. So plenty of bling there. I've added 6 of these gorgeous flowers with a hint of pink, because I put pink in all mine. But the cream and pink, so it doesn't matter. The chenille, now we've just got this in. We've always had this one in, but we've just got it in some more colours. Now we've had some of the colours before. You'll recognise it when you see it. But I think there's about 6 different ones. So I've put 1 metre of the chenille in. 1 metre of the spotted trim, which is the pleated trim. Some glittered flowers. They're quite firm, so you can pull the heads off and dot them around your project. Some paper roses. Now these are really firm. You can colour them, you can spray them, you can use your inks, whatever you want to do with them. And then I've added some greenery, which is this bit, which you can join like that. You could put one of the big flowers in, or you can cut these and add those as part of a flower arrangement, if you know what I mean. So I've given you plenty there to work with. Like that, see? Look really pretty on a project. 3 of these. Now we do have these in stock, folks, and I think we sell them in sets of 3 or sets of 6. Sets of 6. I do apologise. It's really hard to say that when you haven't had a drink. I'm only kidding, I don't drink. Bloody hell. I do Baileys now and again. But yeah, so I've put those in. What I do with mine when I'm doing a project, I will spray them, you know, with like cosmic shimmers or something like that. And when it dries, it just colours them, and they look great on a project, and tuck them in with your flowers and whatnot. See, people don't know what to do with them. You can paint them. You can do all sorts with them. Cover them, decoupage on them, and put them in your projects. Don't be scared to do and use different things. You've got 4 of those. Small doilies. So that's that one. I've given you 1 metre of the eyelet, cotton eyelet. It's all colours tie in. 1 large doily, just trim it round. 1 metre of this, which is the cream. Now, again, people don't know what to do with this, and they just lay it on flat like that. I can stitch this, pull it together, make myself a flower. I can put beaded string through that. And that's the thing, I forgot to put in there, beaded string. Hang on. Just bear with me. now. I don't know. No, I'll put it in after. I need, because I think it's in the other bag. Is it? I don't know what I've done with it. It's somewhere. So I'll put some beaded string with it. And then I've included this one. This is now in the shop. We have had it before. So I think there's half a metre of that. That's the Goupier. This was, remember, off the tablecloth, but it's gorgeous. And it's soft and it hangs really well if you gather it. So on the plaque, you'll see in a minute, you can put that as a skirt around it. Just gorgeous. That's that. Then I've added one of these. I mean, you could use it the whole length of that and tuck it round or whatever you want to do with it, and then start piling your stuff on. You might want to use it for a different project. Best thing about my kits, you don't have to use it for what it's sold as. Now, there's a large piece, and it's double that, of the cream crushed velvet of the Law. So that's to cover your plaque with. Your foam, well, wadding, we call it. And then an MDF frame. Plenty there for you to play around with. I will put the beaded string in. I do apologise, I forgot that. And it's a one-off kit. So I've just worked all of that out, and you're getting it really, really cheaply at £18. I sell those alone in the shop for £4.99 because they're handmade. You've got all the jewellery, which again, that's new, it's never been worn, so they'll be about £3–4 the necklace, although it's broken, so you can say another 50p for that. And then you've got the bling bits, you know. So £18 for that kit if anybody's interested, plus shipping. And let me know on this video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Watch out for the next one. Bye bye for now.